Hey folks, Sarah here from Manager Tools, debunking another management myth. Today's myth: managers should be friends with their directs. Well, what's actually really true is if you're a manager, you cannot be friends with your directs. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't be friendly toward your directs. You absolutely should be friendly toward your directs. But being and maintaining personal friendships with your directs is contrary to your role as a manager. First off, you should know your directs don't think of you as a friend. Not first, anyway. I mean, imagine you're at a staff picnic and you introduce your spouse to your manager. Are you going to say, "Hey, this is Sarah," or "Hey, this is my boss, Sarah"? Case in point, you're not friends first. The role between you and them is what comes first. And if you have a friendly relationship with your directs, we love that. And you cannot show favoritism towards certain friendships with some of your directs over others. You can have a drink with your directs after work on a Friday, but you oughtn't get crazy with your directs. You can have friends on Facebook with your directs, but you oughtn't be true friends.